lived in the village for 88 years. In the house my grandfather bought, the village has changed because all the shops, well almost all the shops are closed. When I was a young man there were 12 or 13 shops in the village. Now there's only one. Yeah, my granddad was, well he was passionate about growing because he used to get a lot of food for the house really in those days. Of course there weren't so many vegetable shops like that, no supermarkets to go and buy vegetables. We used to have a year-round supply in the garden, and he got me interested in gardening. I started growing flowers with my granddad when I was little, and then as I grew a bit older I had an allotment where I grew vegetables for the house mainly, and a few grapes to make some wine. It wasn't successful. And then I developed a passion for dahlias. Don't last long, but they're spectacular. They win me a few prizes at the local show, which we have in August for our local Horticultural Society, of which I happen to be president and unfortunately the last surviving founding member since 1961 when it was founded. It would be lovely if more people joined, but we just have to hope, get it from, we're down to about 25 members now. We used to be over 100 at one time. It'd be nice to get back to 50 or 60. If people want to gain more knowledge, they can join our society. And we have several people who are very knowledgeable, particularly about vegetables. I'm 88 now, 89 in August. Probably gardening has helped a lot, yeah. Keep me going. Take up gardening. That's what will be my message for the future, anyone. They'll enjoy it, it's healthy exercise. And the obituaries from the magazine for gardeners, they're all in their 90s when they die. This photo was taken about, when I was in my 20s, I used to think, I've forgotten all about it. Happened to find it the other day when I was looking through some other photographs. I was just envious of the fact that I had a lot of hair in those days.